Hello my dear all students, welcome back to online classes. This is your Tesip sir and this is fourth maths class, fourth standard maths class. So now I am going to teach you my dear students a 24-hour clock. Yesterday what we have done my dear students, yesterday we have done a 24-hour clock explanation we have done. So now my dear students, again first of all we are going to revision that topic and then after we will move on further my dear students our session. So now note down with me all things in your book dear all. Maths, name of the subject, maths. Then after the chapter number 12, time. My question, all of you, what I am telling you, note down this all things in your book, dear all. I hope you all are understood, dear. Got my points all? So then after I am going to write here the name of topic. What was the name of the topic? 24-hour clock. Note down these all things my dear students, put a heading over there and then I am going to start our session. My dear all students, you have to write these all things in your rough book and after completing these things you have to write in your fair book. Put my points all here. Note down this all things here, what I am telling you here. You have to write all things in your book. And then after my dear students, we are going to start the concept of the 24-hour clock. So now I am going to start here my dear students. 12-hour clock. 12-hour clock. So 12 midnight. 12 midnight. And then after 24-hour clock, 24-hour clock, what we are going to write? 00 hour. So my points all my dear students. So note down these things in your book my dear students. What was the concept of? And then here is a 12 noon. And here is what my dear students? 12 hour. Put my points all here. You have to write in your book these all things my dear all students. 24-hour and midnight. My points earlier, what I am telling you, 12 midnight. This is a 12 midnight. So note down these all things my dear all students in the book. I hope you all are understood. What was the concept of this clock? What was the concept of this clock, all my dear students? 12 hour is equal to midnight. Okay, 24-hour clock. 24-hour clock. So 12 midnight. Okay, 24-hour clock. So 12 midnight and 12 midnight. So 12 noon and 12 midnight. Means this is all repeating things in our clock. First of all, 12 midnight, 12 noon and 12 12 midnight. So in the whole one day, in 24 hours, that 2 times comes a midnight. Got my point? All of you what I am telling you. When in 24 hours, first is 00 hours, then after 12 hours, then after 24 hours. But what is the difference between these and these? Here is coming a twice times a midnight. See, this midnight is coming a twice time, and this midnight is coming a twice time. But here 0 hours, 12 hours, and 24 hours. Okay, means no repeating things, and here is 2 times repeating midnight. Means in a one whole day, 2 times a 12 o'clock. Got my point, all dear students? So this is a concept of 24-hour clock, as per I was told you. So note down this, all of you, these things in your book here. Do fast, my dear students. First of all, you write the 12-hour clock, then after 24-hour clock. In 12-hour clock, my dear students, that 2 times coming up 12 midnight. 12 midnight. 12 in a 12-hour clock. See, again I am going to repeat. In a 12-hour clock, 12 midnight, 12 noon, and 12 midnight. In 12-hour clock, 2 times coming a 12 midnight, 12 midnight. And 24-hour clock, 00 hours, 12 hours, and 24 hours. So I hope you all have understood what I am telling you here. So note down these all things, my dear, in your book. Do fast. And then we will move on further, all my dear students. As per we learned the all things, my dear. Yesterday what we have done? The clock of 12 or 24 midnight, or 12 or 24 what? Clock hour. So note down this all things, my dear students, in your book. My friends, all of you, what I am telling you, have to draw a one clock here. Here is the 12, 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, sorry. 3, 4, and 5. Here is 7, here is 9, 10, and 11. My friends, all of you. So note down this clock all here in your book. Do fast. And then after that, my dear all students, what are all represent? 1 is represent a 13, 2 is represent a 14, 3 is represent a 15, 4 is represent a 16, 5 is represent 17, 6 is represent 18, 7 is represent 19, 8 is represent 20, 9 is represent 21, and 10 is represent 22, and 11 is represent 23, and it's 24. So as like that, that time all are shown as this form. But my points, all dear students, note down these things in your book. And then after we will move on further, my dear all. Then after, my dear students, we are going to learn exercise number 12. See what we are going to learn? We are going to learn exercise number 12C. So first of all, you have to draw this clock and sentence. Do fast. So note down this all things, all of you in your book. Then I am going to start here the exercise number 12C. I hope you all are now know the concept of 24 and 12 hour clock. My dear students, you have note down with me all things in your book. Exercise number 12C. Exercise number 12C. Put my points, all of you. So note down these things in your book here. In exercise number 12C, what is the question number 1? Question number 1 is what only here? Match. We have to match the given pair. My points on here, so note down first of all the question 2:25 p.m. My point on here, students, 2:25 p.m. Then after 11, then after 11:45 p.m. Then after 8:15 a.m. Note down these things here all. And 5 p.m. Note down these things, my dear students, at 7, 10 a.m. Okay, note down this all things, my dear all students, in the book. And last is 8:15 p.m. But my point all, what I am telling you, note down this all things here, all question. And then here is answer is what, my dear students, we are going to write the answer. 715 hours. Then after the 08:15 hour, then after 14:25 hours, then after 225 3015 hours. Then after 23, 45 hours. Last is 07, 10 hours. So note down this all things, my dear students, and then after we will write the all things. Okay. And as per I was telling you all dear students, we have to keep it in mind the 24-hour clock. What we have to keep it in mind? We have to keep it in mind the one thing. You have to draw 1 o'clock again. What you have to do to draw? You have to draw 1 clock. Note down this clock, my dear all. And here is what? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Here. Okay, so now first of all we are going to check the all things, and then after we will going to make this pair. Okay, so my dear students, now let's check here. First is what? 2 and 25 p.m. p.m. means what, my dear students? Past morning. Okay, so 2 for is what, my dear students? 2 for 40. Okay, 2 for 40. 14 for 2 for 14 and 14 25 hours. So where is that 14 25 hours? Here, 14 and 25 hours. So what we have to do? We are going to join this line. So my point, what we are going to do? We are going to join this line. Okay. So now I am going to join this line. But my point, all dear students, understood? Note down all things here in your book. Okay. Then after, as per I am telling you, my dear students, 11:45 p.m. So what is the 11 is represent? 11 is represent 23. So where is 23:45 hours? 23:45 hours. So now you have to do with me all dear. 11:45. Note down these things, my dear students. Understood? Then after further is 11:45. So 11 is what represent? 11 is represent 23 and 45 is still a 45 hours. So 23:45 hours. But my points understood? I hope you all are understood here. Then 8:50 a.m. So 8:15 hours. So 8:15 is as it is at 50. AM is as it is at 8:15. Okay, so 8:15 hour, 8:15 AM. So after a midnight, so 8:15 AM as it is. So now we have to join it as like that. This is 8:15 hour. So 8:15 AM. After midnight. But my points, then after 5 p.m. 5 o'clock and 5 minutes past morning. Okay, so 5 p.m. So what we have to check in 5 is represented 70. Okay, 5 is what represented 7. 7 is here, 5 is represented 70. So where is the 70? First is 70. 75 means 5 p.m. So 75 hours. Note down this all things here. Note down these all things, my dear, in your book. I hope you all are understood. Okay? And then after here is further is last 7:10 a.m. 7:10 a.m. was represented 7:10 p.m. as it is a 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock is no changes in air. If a p.m. will become there, so we have to convert. We have to check this clock. 7:10 a.m. so 7:10 hours. But my points, all of you. Then after 8:15 p.m. So p.m. is coming there. So what we have to check? We have to check this clock. Now we are going to check where is 8 is here. 8 is what represented 20. So 20 is here. 8:15 p.m. So here is what, my dear students, 8:20 p.m. Okay. So 8:20 p.m. 8:15 is there. 8:15 p.m. is there. So 8 is represented 20 and 15 minutes. So here 15 hours. But my point, see, 8 is what represented? 8 is represented 20. So here is 20 and 15 minutes, 15 minutes as it is. So answer what we have to do here? We are going to choose or make this pair here. But my points understood. Note down this question and this question, my dear all students. I hope you all are understood. Compulsory you have to write the all things here. Okay. Otherwise I am going to write one more thing as a different form. Okay, we have to write the correct answer only. Question and answer means a pair. Okay, so 2:25 p.m. What we have to do, if p.m. is coming, so that time we have to check the that time we have to check this clock. Okay, and a.m. is coming, so no need to check in this clock. We have to put the same time. So here is 2:25 p.m. Okay, so 2:25. 2 is where 40. Okay, and then after 15 minutes is as it is. So 14:25 hours. But my point all dear students. Then after what was the second question? 11:45. 11:45 p.m. 11:45 p.m. But my point all of you, what I am telling you, 11:45 p.m. What is the earlier one is going to be present? 11 is present 23. So 23 and 45 as it is. 45 hours. But my point all of you, note down this answer. Then after 8:15 a.m. What we have to do the changes for 8:15 hours as it is. No need to change this for after midnight. So 8:15 hours. But my point all of you, note down these all things in the book dear. I hope you all are understood. And then after we are going to solve the question number 4. 5 p.m. When we have to change, we have to see this clock in p.m. If a.m. is coming, so don't need to check this clock. 5 p.m. Okay, so 5 is what represented? 5 is represented 70. So 70 5 hours. 75 hours. You might want all of you note down this question answer, and then after 7 a.m. 7 10 a.m. So no need to change or change in 7 10 a.m. My point all 7 10 a.m. Understood all? Note down this all. 7 is as it is 7. 0 7 10 hours. Okay, but my points all of you what I am telling you. Then after last is what? 8:15 p.m. So what is the represented? 8 is represented here 20 and 15 is. So 20 and 15 hours. Now I hope you now getting the idea of how can we are going to solve and how can we are going to check, change, convert into the 24 hours to 12 hours, 12 hours to 24. If you have you have any confusion, you have any doubt, so first of all you draw this clock and decide in your book. Okay, and keep it with you this clock. So that time you are getting the idea. Okay, if my dear students, we have to use AM, so put for example 3 AM I am taking. So we have to put the same things. After midnight no changes, but changing in where? Past to normal. Okay, so I am telling you 3:50. So here is what? 15 hours. That time no need to write any AM or PM. See, here is write only hours. No need to write AM or PM. But my points understood? Note down these all things, my dear students. So my dear students, now we have done the exercise number 12, question number 1, math only we have done. In next session we are going to learn a second question, rewrite the sentence using of 24-hour clock. Again I am repeating for you. In next lecture we are going to learn question number 2, rewrite the sentence, use a 24-hour clock. So my points. If you have any doubts, so message me or call me. And thank you so much, my dear students, watching for this video. Thank you all of you.